How many trades should you do a day, Forex? It's a common question asked by many traders. Tell us how many trades you usually take per day in the comments section below. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. Now that is out of the way, let's continue with our video. In the dynamic world of Forex trading, determining the optimal number of trades to do per day is a personal decision that depends on various factors. There is no one-size-fits-all answer, as the ideal frequency can vary significantly based on individual trading styles, risk tolerance, and available time. Some traders prefer a scalping strategy, aiming to profit from small price movements by taking multiple trades throughout the day. This approach requires a high level of focus, quick decision-making, and a tolerance for frequent wins and losses. On the other hand, swing traders may opt for fewer trades, but hold them for longer periods, focusing on capturing larger price swings. Your risk tolerance is another crucial factor to consider. The more trades you take, the greater your exposure to risk. If you have a higher risk tolerance, you may be comfortable with a more frequent trading style. However, if you are risk-averse, a lower frequency might be more suitable. The amount of time you can dedicate to trading is also important. Frequent trading requires significant focus and attention. Ensure that you have the resources and availability to actively monitor the market and execute trades. If you have limited time, a less frequent trading style might be more practical. It's important to remember that quality is often more important than quantity when it comes to trading. Focusing on high-probability setups and disciplined risk management can be more effective than simply trying to make as many trades as possible. Ultimately, the best way to determine your ideal trading frequency is through experience and experimentation. Start with a lower frequency and gradually adjust it as you gain confidence and understanding of the market. By finding the right balance between frequency and quality, you can optimize your trading strategy and maximize your potential for success.